Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa is going to make two types of noodles dishes tonight. I'll probably try to separate the two types of noodle into two videos. I'll decide later. Anyway, as you can see, I have two kinds of noodle here. This is actually the air-dried air-dried miso. Alright, so this is the air-dried miso, and this is a combination between yellow noodles and kway teow. Basically, the way I'm cooking, I'm making it into those wadan sauce. Yeah, I'm going to make it into a wadan noodles kind of thing. So, and then let's take a look at the ingredient. I have some good amount of chicken stock here. You can use pork broth, okay? And then I got 2 eggs here because there will be 2 noodles. And then some marinated meat, yeah, marinated with a bit of light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and cornstarch, and a bit of oil. And this is some fish cake, some prawns, garlic, some any veggie that you can find. And then we will need some, let's take a look at the sauce. Oyster sauce, light soy sauce, some salt. I'm not sure whether I want to put some pork lard or not. I'll decide later. So I'm going to start with doing the miso. Now, very simple. You don't really have to do anything with the fried miso. When you bite it, it's already like this. And this is actually air dried, not even fried. So you can just make the sauce and pour the sauce over it. Done. That's how simple it is. So let's make this first. Alright, I've decided to put in some pork lard for extra flavor. You can use any vegetable oil, no problem. So let's heat it up, and then I'm going to put in some minced garlic. Put in some meat. A bit of prawn. A bit of fish cake. Give it a few stir. Abba is doing tai cao today. Very, very fragrant now. You can give it some broth. I'm using chicken stock today. Alright. Then let's put in some veggie. And now we are going to give it some seasoning. Let's give it a bit of oyster sauce. Some light soy sauce. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Some fine salt. Few dashes of white pepper. And let's bring this to a boil. Let me add a little bit more things. Give it a bit of fish sauce. And a bit of Shaoxing wine. This is optional. You want to cook until at least you soften the veggie, which is less than 1 minute, very fast one. Alright, once you start seeing the veggie started to soften, we can now actually close off the fire. Give in some cornstarch. You do need to make it more starchy for this dish. Alright. One more thing. Put in the egg. Break the egg. Then we can pour this sauce onto the noodles at the side. Right. See how simple it is. Right, so here's apa, very simple. This is what we call watan mi sua, something like that, alright? So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Apa is going to continue to cook the next noodle dish, slightly different manner.